here today to celebrate the union of two hearts, the joining of two souls and two families, the joining of Emily and Logan together in the institution of marriage. Marriage is something beautiful, and it's something specifically designed for God's creation. Dating is fun, romance is fun, but you know, true love is the pinnacle of it all, and you found that.
You look so good, you're so pretty.
There you go. Find a window.
Always be with you. I'll always be with you. Always be with you.
Oh, Dad.
Look amazing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's awesome.
I'll always be with you.
See the bottom of the basement.
I'm here, no fear. I'll always be with you.
I, Logan, take you, Emily, to be my wife,
I, Emily, take you, Logan, to be my husband.
To have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or worse,
for better or worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health.
and forsaking all others,
and forsaking all others.
I promise to love and cherish you
I promise to love and cherish you
as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall
live.
live.
By the power vested in me, it is my great honor and privilege to pronounce that you are husband and wife, and what God has joined together, let no person separate. Logan, kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great privilege to be the first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Logan and Emily Locke.
Mr. and Mrs. Logan Locke.
Put your hands in mine, don't look back. to the wind, let's start this dance. You're a little crazy, and I'm a little messed up, but I ain't got no maybes. You're my only one, I need you like a drug. My medication, love, yeah, I'm ready to jump and choose you. In better or worse, I'll choose you, even when it hurts. 'Cause I'll choose you, every chance that I take. You'll never be second place, every moment, every day. I'll choose you. I'll choose you.
I'm surprised we're not, WWE Tag Team Champs yet, like we had always talked about, but I'm sure that'll come at some point soon.